Go Kicks YouTube channel, hitting up a few of these spots. This North Hollywood location literally opened up within the last couple minutes. Of course, we are starting with Trey Young's. Been finding a gazillion of these. Got 35 bucks for this red colorway. Another size 10 right here, $20 for the Crocs. That's a solid price. Fake Adelaide slides right here. American Exchange, go for 10 bucks. This location usually has some decent stuff. Not much today. Form 84s right here in a size 10.5. These are the Home Alone 2 version right here, size 11. 35 for these bad boys. This does have the, oh, this has the nice leather on it because it is the Form 84s right here. Yeah, it don't get much cheaper than that for those. Here in the huge sizes right here, got some GT cuts. Are these the GT cut 2s or the 1s? But yeah, I do got these going for $55. That's a huge size though. Yeah, size 17s. Some Hardens right here. William Hardem 6s. 14.5. You rarely ever see 14.5. $30 for those. Those have been marked down. You really got to know the pattern. Some they stock before they open. Some they stock like right after they open. Kind of got to get to know the one near you. I don't really know the pattern here. All right, let's check out the women's section. Got some Adidas Terex hikers right here. $40 for those, even if it's that Continental rubber on the outsole. That's not bad. Not bad. Got some Adizeros right here. Some serious running shoes with Light Strike Pro on it. $35. These are 10.5. Checking the athletic section. I did go through the fleece. Didn't really find much. But yeah, I do got some Nike polos right here. $40 down to $13. This is a large. Reebok fleece jacket right here. $23. Normally $1.50. $1.50 for that. Does look like really nice material though. Okay. And then got some bootleg stuff like that. Not really much. All right, right next door, do got a Ross. Nothing in apparel to show you guys. Do have some luggage. People have been finding Nike luggage, which has been kind of crazy. Not really seeing anything myself. Got some Vans skate highs right here going for $37. This is smaller size. Got some, what, size 7, size 8. K-Swiss? Is K-Swiss making a comeback? I don't think so. Tons of Vans. All kinds of Vans. $35. Crocs with the lining. This is size 9, go for $30. Got iShod wears right here. If you guys saw my video yesterday, showed the new one that just came out, the second version. $45 for these bad boys right here. Vans boots. These are actually really nice. I just don't like the color. If they had a different color, I might grab these for myself. And yeah, these are going for $40. $40 does have some nice materials on them. Freaking love it when it rains. Get a nice free car wash. Am I the only cheap person that thinks like that? Some of y'all have been finding crazy stuff. I've been finding nothing. Let's try Burbank. This spot does have a ton of shoes. I already hear a ton of alarms going off already as well. Do got some fake foam runners right here going for $13. Got some real deal Timbs right here. Probably not the super high end, but not too bad. I don't see a price though. I got Timbs. Real Adi foams right here. Some legit ones going for $33. Smaller size. Hirachis in the size 9.5. It's actually $45. Okay, our Nike prices going down now. These are 9.5. Some Nike cleats right here, size 10.5, going for $30. New Balance, what are these, 515s or something? Yeah, there's the 515s right there. $35. That's a hell of a price, holy cow. 11.5 for those. Top 10s, we're in the size 10 section right here. This is size 13, going for $40. These some Web Boost right here. Web Boost down to $40. Got some Fila's that I'm not familiar with, going for $30. Old school Reeboks right here. This is a bigger size. 11 and a half go for 30. Look at these, the Infinity Tours. Some golf cleats right here go for $35. That is a size 12. Got some Space Hippies. Haven't seen these in forever. These are the fours right here. The size 8 and a half. Haven't seen these in forever. No price tag. Got some Way OG A6 right here. Have no clue what it's called. No clue what it's called. It does have Ortholite inside. And yeah, 26 bucks. 26 bucks, not bad. More Home Alones right here, size 12 and a half. Was that the other one, the size 12, 12 and a half as well? Yeah, these bad boys are going for, yeah, the 35 bucks. It does have a cool little hang tag on it. Okay. I told you the leather on this is amazing. Got some legit Crocs right here with some chiles on it. $22, size 11. It is one of the ones with no holes on the toe box right there. Air Max 2090s right here, $55. Huge sizes right here. This is what, a size 13 or something. $26 for the New York Knicks colorway right there. Grant Hill 2s. Got this other one right here, go for $35. It's like a size 10 or something. Infinity Run 4s. People have been looking for these. These are size 15 though. That's just too crazy. That's just too crazy of a size. Unless you're a big feet gang, you know, 50 bucks, not bad. Not much in terms of hats, beanies. They used to have a ton. What's going on, man? I feel like they haven't been getting too many shipments or something. Got some swag boxer briefs right there. This is a small. Go for $4, $4 for some. That's a cool bag. Not much in active apparel. I was going to show you guys that Shoe Palace in the mall as well, but mall don't even open for another hour. God dang. All right, I'm going to try a few other stores out in Mission Hills. Checking out some apparel. Nike Brave shirt right here. $8. That fool's probably not on the team anymore, huh? Also got this jacket right here, which is kind of weird because it's a jacket, but it's a short sleeve. So it's like a vest. You're like cold, but not really. Yeah, these normally go for $120, $30 for this. Kind of interesting. Nice Adidas fleece jacket right here. 25 bucks. That's an XL. Under Armour. This is like a nice windbreaker. This is actually really nice. $40 for these, normally $100. That's an XL. I also got one in a large. I missed that one. I was like, is this Invincible on Flyknits? But yeah, these are some Vans right here. They look pretty comfy. $36 right here. Do got some cleats. I might have to grab these for my kids' school. $23. Size 8.5. They also have a size 8 right here. I might just grab them. For his little flag football team. Let me see if I can find some other ones. White will get destroyed pretty quick. And look at this. These Jeremy Scotts. Jeremy Scott. Top 10s right here. They had a collab with them a while back. Yeah, man, that's hella interesting. $40 for these. Okay. More Tims going for $80. Got some Hokas right here. Tecton X. Okay, these are down to $90. Yeah, those cleats are way too white. I don't think they'll last very long. I have been looking for like some receiver gloves for the same fools. Batting gloves right there. Yeah, not really much. I haven't been able to find much. What are these right here? I think these are, these might be it. $13. Oh, they're supposed to be in the bag. That's what it is. Quadruple XL right there. And then what size is this? I think this is my kid's school color too. I don't know what size these are. Size medium. That might work. These might work. I might have to just give these to somebody. Okay. Yeah, these fit me okay, which is interesting. It's my hands. I wish you need a large for stuff, and my hands aren't even that big. Kind of weird. All right, cool. I'm gonna grab these for $13. All right, so I did do some scavenging on the bottom. Got some Nike ones here too. Got some Nike ones. These are going for $10. These are the Vapor Jets. I think slightly budget because the elite ones are the really expensive ones, the Vapor Elite, I believe. These are medium as well. Oh, let's go. Let's go. All right, I'm going to grab these. My kiddo's football team. Ooh. Did go through the women's. Didn't really see much. These Under Armour slides right here, these are pretty comfy. They have memory foam and stuff like that right here, so they're not bad for $17. Definitely not bad. These normally go for like 40 bucks, something like that. 35. So not bad. But yeah, that's it. That's it, man. I'm just dicking around looking. Look at this. They got machetes? They got machetes here? What the hell? Black & Decker machete. Who gets a Black & Decker machete? Like, really? Really? They got freaking sledgehammers. Just kind of random. Never really looked in here. They have another brand of machete, right? Like a real brand. That's interesting. I was like, can I have a bag? Like, they use paper bags now. Grocery store? Like what the hell? Thumbnail's gonna look weird. Yo, baby, let's go! Woo! Let's go, baby! Let's go, baby! Woo! Woo! Let's go, Dre! After the Niners win, nothing else matters, bro. Nothing else matters. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby.